is a very dangerous part of town, so gotta keep our eyes peeled here, you know. Okay, so we're gonna drive through the scene of two very recent firearms incidents. So ride with me. First stop 11 minutes away. We'll do some hooning over there. So yeah, these were the incidents of two firearms incidents recently. So we're gonna drive by and we're gonna see what we see in our C8 Corvette. About 6 miles away, so just relax, ride along, and let's get some noise in here, and it should be a good ride. So we're gonna see if we see anything going on. That we gon' pull that. What a hood, what a hood, what a hood. You'll never know when good at. Better watch that. You gon' pull that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. So we might see something crazy over here. So let's see what we get, man. I'm gonna roll through. We're not gonna be very inconspicuous in a C8 Corvette, but we'll keep the pace up. We got plenty of gas, and I don't have anything to defend myself on me, but won't be an issue, you know. But it is a dangerous neighborhood. We're gonna be respectful of everyone there, and like I said, it does go down there because something happened about 2 days ago. So let's see what we got. 6 minutes away. I'll be quiet and I will let you ride in track mode here, as you see. Up to 387 million. Okay. about a mile away. So it didn't scrape. So not in the action, not seen any action yet. So you turning right here? Yeah, boy. No one coming. No yield. So somewhere right around here, there was a firearm incident on the 11th on Veterans Day. Come on, bro. But looks like it's too cold out here right now for anything silly. It looks like it was about like right here. Saw someone outside, but we ain't chit-chatting. Going down out here, I guess. See a nice gentleman here on his cycle bike. There was a blood on the street. A blood on the street. It's got launch control on, so we're gonna launch control against the U-Haul truck here. Should be a very close battle, you know. Happy to say that we pulled it out, just barely won it. Big Mama Rose Groceries. Avenue A. D. This is a very dangerous part of town, so gotta keep our eyes peeled here, you know. So we're coming up on where the firearms incident was the other day. So we're turning right down this, left down this one way. All right. You don't see anyone outside. So the incident was right on this part of the street right here, just the other day. Someone had beef and they solved it here, but or well, they think they did, but this is it, man. Something happened here the other day. It's crazy. It's crazy to think. It looks fine now, but it must not be.